As you know, the Prime Minister is in Indonesia as we speak. It's a good move to get up there quickly after his re-election. But it's also just a little embarrassing when there were serious security concerns raised during the election campaign about Russia wanting to base military aircraft, perhaps permanently, on an Indonesian island where Jakarta hopes to build a satellite launching facility. And in the campaign, Labor was mocking these concerns.
The opposition is asking for a briefing on something that doesn't exist. I mean, they might as well ask for a briefing on the Loch Ness Monster. This is something that doesn't exist, that they fabricated.
Yeah, mockery. But we learned, of course, that a request had been made and Indonesia, thankfully, rejected it. Today in Jakarta, Albanese had to confront the reality of this strategic challenge.
We know that Indonesia's answer is no, but was the question asked?
Indonesia's answer is no. They've made it very clear.
But was the question asked?
They've made it very clear. It's not for me to comment on what occurs between countries that are not Australia. What is important is Australia's position. Our position's clear. Indonesia's position is clear as well.
Yeah, there's little doubt this issue would have been raised as the PM and President Prabowo Subianto met in the Indonesian capital today, with Australia given the right royal treatment from this enormous democracy just to our north. And Albanese at least stood up strongly against Russia.
We make very clear our position when it comes to Russia around the world. Be it the brutal invasion of Ukraine, its interference in cybersecurity issues as well, its tolerance of criminal organisations that have been involved in that, are anathema to our values. We'll continue to stand up for Australian values, and that is something that we'll do both domestically but right around the world.
So across the day, there was a lot said about nurturing this relationship between Australia and Indonesia, and that's a good thing. But for too long, there's been a lot of talk with too little action. Indonesia is a thriving and growing market economy, the world's largest Muslim democracy, with a population of more than 280 million people. Yet when it comes to two-way trade with Australia, it ranks outside of our top 10 trading partners, which is a massive missed opportunity for both nations. Let's hope we can find ways to do better.